In this video, we show how to replace a heatsink and processor in a PowerEdge R770. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the heatsink and processor with the air shroud as well as the fan carrier removed, loosen the first nut 3 turns and then loosen the directly diagonal one all the way. Move to the next one and then diagonal one across from it. And loosen the first one the rest of the way. Lift up on the anti-tilt wires and then lift the heatsink and processor out of the system. To install the heatsink and processor, align it with the system and lower it into place. Then put the anti-tilt wires back out. Tighten the first nut 3 turns. And then the one diagonal from it, tighten that one all the way. Then the next one. Then the one diagonal from that. And finish tightening the first one. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R770, visit dell.com/support.